Writer's block, big meeting coming up, want to impress the boss or start your own business? Maybe you just need a solution to a complicated problem. This meditation will unlock the genius within to give you the ideas you need to take you to the next step on your journey to success. Remember that you may fall asleep during this meditation. It is best to stay seated rather than laying down so that you will stay awake and recall all of the ideas that come to you. Make sure everything around you is secure in case you do fall asleep, and try to remove any possible distractions. As you go through the meditation, try to keep the issue at hand foremost in your mind. Now close your eyes and imagine you see a crystal marble floating in front of you. You reach out physically and take the marble in your hand. This crystal marble contains billions of ideas that you can use to make the world a better place. Feel it in your hand for a moment and examine it. You have that power in your hands. Now release it and let it float away from you. It is going to lead you to the ideas you will use. Watch it as it swirls in a leftward, tiny circular motion, rotating around and around. It starts to rotate in a larger circle, moving more slowly as it completes each rotation. As it continues to spin, it starts to move away from you in a spiral. You watch it float and rotate in an ever-growing spiral away from you. Around and around. In its path, it leaves an energy field. You decide to follow that energy field. You float up and glide into the energy field, following it further and further into the spiritual realm. Leaving any cares and concerns for another time. You spin freely and happily behind the crystal marble with not a care in the world. You feel true freedom here, floating and spinning in the spiritual realm. You shake off any concerns that may be blocking your creativity. Now imagine that you decide to float down to rest on a rock that is sitting beneath you. As you float gently down to rest on the rock, you become more and more relaxed. I am going to count from 10 to 1, and at the count of 1, you will come to rest on the rock in a complete state of relaxation. 10, floating lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 9, lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 8, lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 7, lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 6, lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 5, lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 4, lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 3, lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 2, lower, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. 1, gently landing on the rock, perfectly relaxed. Sitting on the rock, you gaze up and notice a round sphere gliding towards you. You watch the sphere as it comes closer and closer to you. It is a transparent sphere, like a bubble. Inside the bubble, you can sense something. It is a gift from your subconscious mind, a solution, an idea, an invention that hadn't occurred to your conscious mind before. Watch the bubble as it slowly spins in front of you. What is it showing you? What is it related to in your waking life? Who is involved? This is the peacemaker, the solution finder. At the count of 3, I am going to cause a sound with my fingers. At that moment, a light will shine brightly inside the bubble and show you the solution that you are looking for. 1, 2, 3. Now at the count of 3, it will become very clear to you, and you will reach an understanding of what it is trying to tell you. 1, 2, 3. Now reach out and spin the bubble. It is soft, like a sort of plasma, and when you touch it, the colors and lights mix in an aurora borealis inside the sphere. Touch it and spin it again. Notice all the colors and sparks of light inside. In the days that follow this meditation, you will recall vivid dreams when you awaken each day that will offer new ideas and solutions to you. You will understand the messages that the dreams are trying to convey to you, and you will write them down immediately. Reach out and spin the bubble again, and watch what happens as it slowly comes to float in front of you. There it is, the idea you need. At the count of 3, you will hear what it wants to convey to you. 1, 2, 3. Now at the count of 3, you will hear it loud and clear. 1, 2, 3. When you finish this meditation, you will continue to receive epiphanies and have flashes of inspiration and aha experiences sent to you by your subconscious mind to further your understanding so you can see what is happening on your path. Once more, reach out and spin the bubble. As it turns, you feel a warmth and kindness emanating from it. It sends you impressions of what the next step should be on your path. You get a strong feeling of what you should do next. Now at the count of 3, this step, the next step, becomes very clear to you. 1, 2, 3. You feel a new sense of confidence in your decisions about moving forward. You know that greater success awaits you when you take the next step towards your goal. In the weeks that follow this meditation, you will meet people who will help you along your path to success. You will be able to sense the true character of anyone you meet. Now take a moment to thank the source of all the good lessons, events, people, and things in your life. You say goodbye to the bubble, and the marble reappears and is leading you back to your earthly, worldly location to do good work. You follow the marble back to your conscious state. At the count of 5, the genius in you will awaken. 1, 2. At the count of 5, you will be wide awake, feeling inspired and confident. 3. At the count of 5, you will be awake and feeling great. 4, 5. Wide awake and feeling inspired and confident.